Welcome to the in front of Vivo Y35, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the right side of our phone to the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, that works just fast and correct. We just unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the good result for the face unlock. I just simple touch it, I'm not pressing it. Just I suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.